Hey gang, it's Leda Lum. And maybe you saw videos with my mom, who looks very young, and everyone was like, what are some of her secrets? We did a video last week where she's showing us her facial exercises, and she came on the live. So I want to share with you some of the stuff that she puts on her face. The DIY masks. Let's do it. So gang, last week my mom, she went and got a green juice. She's always sipping on green juices. This is very yummy. This one's cucumber and celery. Everyone's doing the celery juice craze. I love celery juice. Spinach, parsley, kale, and she got one with ginger as well. She comes home, she's just putting it on her face. She just kind of like, and then she's just putting it on my face, because that's how we are, just a little splashing it on. And this is actually something she does a lot. You know, when she talks about the enzymes in the raw juice, and all of the vitamins and minerals. You could easily just put this on a cotton ball or splash it on your face and just kind of dab it on. And I really do actually love how this feels. First of all, it's very cooling. You can put it in a spray bottle. It certainly won't last. This is like a, while you're drinking it, you know, put it also on your face type of thing. She also puts it around her hairline for improving grays along there. So that's awesome. And it's delicious. Really good. So she's got a lot of that fresh food. She's often doing wheatgrass juice. She loves wheatgrass juice, just straight on her face, the fresh one. And I'm going to order some powder. I know a lot of people do the powder form. You just make a little, you know, mix it in with water and put it on your face. An amazing anti-aging experience. But today we're going to make one with the fresh juice and chlorella. Chlorella, also, people love putting that on their face as a mask. Great anti-acneic mask. Let's do it. This is really good. Okay, here we are. We got our blue-green algae from Bulk Supplements, a huge bag. I love it. I got a little container of some sort. And our green juice. Any green juice, any greens would be great. And just a little bit, and fresh is good because then you get all the enzymes. Just about a tablespoon, so I don't waste too much. And then I'm going to put in spoons of chlorella so that it is thick. Oh yeah, it's gonna be so dark. Voila. Oh yeah. You get all the enzymes from the juice, and it really starts to thicken up. It's very interesting. Yeah. I love that this mask has the deep green color of all that chlorella. Oh, I love that. Ooh, it tingles a little bit. Might as well just put it on my lips. Could probably do with my fingers a little bit more effectively. But I like that this is not going to get under my fingernails. And yes, you could do a brush, but it seems like it's always a waste. I'm wasting some that's inside of the brush. It seems like wasteful to me. So you can feel the enzymes that tingle a little. All the chlorophyll and the chlorella is going to be very beneficial. But you could just use the chlorella as a mask. But this, all the enzymes in the fresh juice are very beneficial to skin. You could bring this mask right up under the eye, and why wouldn't you? It'll get all over. And if you don't mind getting it in your hair, you can go right up into the hairline as well. And then you can just eat it. I'm feeling this mask. So yummy! I mean, this actually tastes really good. It does. Total edible mask. And I do feel a little tingle. It feels like it's working. That's what it feels like. Just a total tonic internally and externally. And I really like to get just everywhere. I mean, I probably would jump in the shower and just kind of smear this everywhere I find that the chlorella really started to thicken up. You know, I let it sit for a while in the juices for a few minutes, and it really, like, the chlorella kind of started to come alive. It kind of plumps up, which is awesome. Yeah. And then, yummy. Yeah, so I'm just gonna let this dry, and then when it stops tingling, I'll wash it off. It's really good. I'm basically gonna leave this on for like half an hour or until it starts to crumble off, because I don't want it to get everywhere. So the moisture will be absorbed into my skin. Okay, it's a little cracked, but it doesn't really, if I talk much, it'll start to crumble a little bit, but it's not that bad. I could leave it on for longer, but I think this is plenty. I'm gonna go wash it off, see? Oh yeah, so green. Very easy to wash off, that's for sure. Yeah, if I was in the shower, it might be a little easier, but I don't want to mess up my hair. Whoa! Ah! Oh my goodness. Yes, I feel so refreshed, you guys. I don't necessarily feel moisturized, so I'm putting on afterwards, you know, I would recommend just putting on some oil. Oh yeah, it's great to put on your facial oil, whatever facial oil you use, to definitely have your face moist. So, you know, and pressing the oil in afterwards. Yes, but that was really good. It felt just like nourishing, you know, like I felt like it was astringent enough, but just like pushing nutrients into my skin. But I think it's really great, just very nutrient rich. It's just, I can feel it working, and I think it's great for acneic skin because it's not a very, it's kind of an astringent mask, not as much as a clay mask, but it's great for like anti-inflammation. You could just feel, you know, the anti-inflammation. It's working on the redness. Yeah, I like it. I gotta do this more often. You know, I've just been doing my regular bright mask on the regular, but anytime you have a juice, a green juice, why not just add in a bit of the spirulina or chlorella? I really like chlorella a lot, and I eat it regularly, so I might as well just smear that on my face as well, right? It feels like just a nice calming, great for acne skin kind of mask, or just calming for any redness. You know, I think it's great. I like it. So I hope you enjoyed that, you guys. Secret beauty tips from my mother. And we'll have some more of those soon, some more DIYs that she loves to do for her face. Fresh fruits and vegetables galore, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and any comments, lots of discussions usually in the comments about skincare, and I hope to join you there as well. And if you're into this type of thing, DIYs and skincare and supplement discussions, anti-aging, you can click the subscribe button and the bell button to be notified when I do lives on Tuesdays. We have discussions, and also when I upload videos on Thursdays. Thanks, guys, for watching. Bye. Bye. And in this video, I want to discuss one of my mom's beauty secrets. Maybe running blah, blah, blah. And also we did an exercises that she does for herself on her face. Dang it! When she came to visit, we did facial exercises. Oh. Delicious. Yeah, see. Dang it. Dang it. And today I want to share with you some DIY masks. Ugh. Oh. Today I want to share with you an amazing little beauty secret and also her facial exercise video. Let's